Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. We're going to do a quick review for Heartache on the Dance Floor. I love this dance. Okay. With words first, we'll go through the 32 steps. All right, from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, starts with the right foot. Walk, walk, triple step, cross, recover, and a triple step, and a cross. Sway, 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 and a cross, and a triple step, and a cross, and a triple step, turn, triple step, rock back, point, and point, rock, and a coaster step. And the last part's all on the left foot. So it's a rock, recover, and a coaster step, or a mambo and a coaster step. Okay, here we go with counts from the top. Heartache on the dance floor. Quick review. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Awesome. Tag on wall 5, and it's 4 sways. Sway, 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 sway. 2 restarts, wall 2 and wall 9 after 20 counts. Enjoy. See you on the dance floor.